You're creating digitally on a computer, then you can work right here in the edit version of your Google Slides. So up here we have a couple of tools that'll be helpful. You have your shape tool. You can click the shape tool and you can get all different kinds of shapes to use here. Um, any of those that you want to use to kind of create your character. I'll pull a circle in just to start my head shape. I can click and drag. Once it's there, I can move it around, I can adjust it, and I can change some of its attributes. So I can change its fill color to have no fill color or any fill color that I want. I can change the border color and I can change the border thickness, thick or thin, however I want that to look. The other tool that'll be helpful is the line tool. If you want straight lines, lines with ends, that kind of thing. My favorite though is the scribble tool because it's kind of like just drawing. So you can make whatever kind of line that you want. When you let go, it turns it into a line where you can adjust the properties. So you can change its thickness, you can change its color, and do all those kinds of things right there on your Google slide.